I spent years swallowing disrespect until I finally realized something painful. I was literally training people to walk all over me. And now, I'm the CEO of Acquisition.com. I've helped thousands of business owners grow, not because I begged for respect, but because I stopped tolerating nonsense, and I started commanding respect through my actions. So if you're tired of being talked over, torn down, or treated like a joke, here are 6 tactics that will teach people how to respect you. Number 1. Respect starts with you. Let's kill the biggest lie you've ever been told. Respect is earned from others. No, you don't earn respect, you set the standard, and most people set the bar painfully low. Self-respect is built, not begged for, and chasing respect is the fastest way to lose it. Every day people walk into rooms, begging, pleading, desperate to be respected. Maybe it's a boss who undervalues you. Maybe it's a partner who doesn't honor you. Maybe it's a friend who takes you for granted. But here's the truth. You do not get respect by asking for it. All these body language tricks and fake confidence videos, they're nonsense. Because the real foundation is this. You don't even respect yourself yet. And if you tolerate disrespect from yourself, you will tolerate it from others. Respect is not created by people. It is maintained inside you. Then the world catches up. People respecting you is a lagging indicator of you respecting yourself first. You go first. The world follows. The fastest way to lose respect is to beg for validation from people who don't even respect themselves. A woman once came to me. She said, "Larry doesn't respect me." But what I saw was different. She didn't respect herself. She didn't speak with certainty. She didn't advocate for herself. She allowed people to speak over her, and she unknowingly taught the room how to treat her. We point at others and say, "They don't respect me." But the real question is, have I learned how to respect myself? She hadn't. And that creates a brutal cycle. Someone disrespects you. You feel small. You feel angry. So you try harder to prove your worth. And strangely, they respect you even less. She raised her voice. She became aggressive. And instead of looking powerful, she looked unstable. Then she lost even more self-respect. And the cycle repeated. You might think, if I stop trying to earn respect, won't I look arrogant? No. Self-respect doesn't make you selfish. It makes you stable. Your boundaries are clear. Your standards are non-negotiable. And people know exactly where they stand. Trying to earn respect by tolerating disrespect is like trying to get healthy by eating cake. Now, number 2. We judge people by what they cost us, not what they say. If someone makes it harder for you to be the person you respect being, they are too expensive to keep. Ask yourself, do I like who I am around them? Do they elevate me or derail me? Do they pull me closer to my values or away? If staying costs your self-respect, the price is too high. You can't change people. You can only change situations by changing what you tolerate. The situation will not change unless you do. Self-respect is a system, not a feeling. You don't feel self-respect, you practice it. First, keep your word to yourself. If you don't respect your own promises, why should anyone else? Second, leave environments that pull you out of alignment. Sometimes the most powerful move is silent exit. Third, choose discomfort over self-betrayal. Better to be uncomfortable than to lose your dignity. Fourth, speak truth without emotional vomiting. Ask not, how do I feel? Ask, what do I want to happen? Short-term relief creates long-term regret. Self-respect is built one rep at a time. Every time you honor yourself, you gain power. Every time you betray yourself, you lose it. High-respect people don't complain, they leave. Which brings us to number 4. Respect is taught through consequences, not conversations. Words without action are meaningless. You teach people how to treat you by what you accept. When I was disrespected in a meeting, I didn't argue. I stood up and I left. That silence was louder than any speech. Number 5. Mastering emotions is elite-level self-respect. Powerful people don't explode. They act calmly and decisively. No yelling, no drama, just action.
Number 6. High respect people never argue to be valued. They already decided their worth before they walked in. When I was cheated on, I didn't scream. I stood up and said, "Then we can't be together." Not because of him, but because of who I refuse to become. Walking away is not weakness, it is maturity. Respect doesn't start with others, that it starts with you, your behavior, your standards, and what you tolerate, because the version of you you're trying to become cannot survive in an environment where you keep disrespecting yourself. And if this message hit home, go watch my video on how to become dangerously confident.
Thank you.